Peace and Wellness. I'm Rachel Newsom, owner of Crowns on Wellness and the founder and director of the Teen Girl Talk program. Thank you so much for your interest in learning more about our Teen Health Initiative of 2022. We are so excited to introduce our 12-month program, which is dedicated to providing free menstrual and personal hygiene resources and education to 275 young ladies 13 to 17 years old. It's our mission to provide healthful education and support to the young and experienced women in our community by showing them how to better manage their health through nutrition, physical fitness, and natural herbal remedies. Now, you can help us stay on target with our goals by registering your teen girl or girls for one of our sessions. We have 25 seats per session. Sharing our posts and links with family and friends who have teen girls to optimize our reach. And by purchasing a handcrafted Crowns on Womb Wellness Kit, where a portion of the proceeds will go to our teen health program. Now, with the kit, you'll get our hand-sewn feminine care pouch, a 10-day supply of our womb wellness herbs, and also a free tea sample. Again, thank you so much for your interest and support of Crowns on Wellness, where we are working diligently to provide actionable holistic health and wellness resources and support to the community.